What gun? What's the other gun?
There's a guy right there.
Wait, this is the guy like behind us. He's like, hey, hey, why are you shooting me? Oh shit, he might have a gun. Oh damn it.
Yeah, doesn't matter.
I think he had a gun. I'm gonna check his stuff. He probably had something great. Wow, he had a Maverick. Isn't that cool?
I want to use up this orange ammo so I can use my shotgun again.
Hey, there's another guy over here. Trying to. Oh shit, he's gonna get the shit out of this guy. Wait, isn't there an orange ammo gun in that guy's body?
Yeah, with like 8 bullets. So that was pointless.
Oh shit, he's behind the red building now. Oh shit, oh shit. Don't act like you don't see me.
Hold on, wait for him to get on this side.
Oh my lord. He has a weapon. He has a weapon.
Get a PP-19, bro.
Like, oh fuck,
Hey,
dude.
let's try that.
Ah. Snipe him while the zombies after him. Fuck. He has low health. Fuck, I can't aim for my fucking life. Oh, god damn it. Oh shit, person right behind
I have
us.
low health.
Oh shit, I'm out of G18 ammo. Other side.
I need a heal.
Hey, free PPSH. FAL or PPSH? What are you doing?
Don't die.
Jake? Where'd you
I
go?
shot him a bunch of times. He's shit good.
Where'd you
Yeah.
go?
I'm right in front of you.
I don't see you anymore.
Are you getting hit right now?
No? Yeah, it just made you leave the game, dude.
Did I?
Wait, who are you shooting?
He's my secret agent.
Yeah, he died a while ago. He's been dead for years now,
Is
Jake.
my there?
You're not here anymore. No, you
Is my body there?
didn't die. You didn't die. Oh shit, dude, I'm fucked. I'm beyond fucked right now.
There's a tank mine in the body, in the road.
Ah, run away. Shit. Okay, I think I got it. Fuck. There we go. Okay, so I just killed both of them. I should probably turn my Roblox volume on. Shit was muted the whole time.
Alright, each time I join... Wait, it might be working now.
Do you want an MK48?
How much ammo?
I've yet to check. Or I might take it because my M41's like out of ammo. Should I switch it out for the M4? Shit, another fucking guy. Oh god damn it, he got the car. God damn it, he drove away with the car. I am so stupid. Yeah, he's just kind of driving around. The fucking car won't blow up.
I'm heading towards Ken right now.
What the fuck? He won't die. Okay, there. Oh my